Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, we are going to automate the sign up functionality of UI5cn.com. So it is a real-time web application and we will automate the sign up functionality. So let's see here. First, we will check what is the functionalities provided by UI5cn. So I will type here UI5cn.com. So this is the web application and where we have to click first sign up. And then we have to fill first name, last name, email address and password, and we have to click on checkbox. Then we have to do sign up, and then we have to verify the current URL. This is very interesting. This is our real-time application. So I will copy the URL because it's useful, and here I will create a sign up UI5cn. This is a .py file. So from Selenium I will import first, import WebDriver and import time, import unit test. I will create a class. So let's say class my sign up, and here we have to inherit unit test dot test case, and then we have to define our def setup method. So we have to override it, and here let's say self dot driver and equals, you can use here WebDriver dot Chrome. We'll use Chrome here, and then our test case. So let's say def test sign up, and here we'll create the private variable. Let's say driver equals self dot driver, and now we will use try block here because we are going to load the URL now. So driver dot get, and here just we'll paste the URL, and then we will use except because we need to catch it, except exception as ex, and just we will print ex. We will work with else clause. If everything goes fine, then we have to work on it. So after loading the UI5cn.com, you can see if manual we are seeing here. So we have loaded UI5cn.com, and now we have to click on sign up. So we have to inspect it first. So inspect. So if I will do hover on it, this is a sign up. And here you can see this is the class they have provided. Let's say edit attribute. So this is my account. So this is the class. Using class also you can work, but here what I can do is, and the other simple way is you can use XPath or CSS selector. It's up to you. I will use CSS selector. Here driver dot find element by CSS selector, and here you have to pass CSS selector and dot click because you have to click on it. Now we will wait for some time. So we will go step by step. So time dot sleep, and let's say we will sleep for 5 seconds, and we will make here the another function tear down, and here we will use self dot driver dot quit to close the driver, and we can create the checkpoint. So if underscore underscore name double underscore equals double underscore main. So here unit test dot main. So if I will run this program, just see how much we have automated. So Python run. You can see here browser got open, and this is going to load the URL now. UI5cn.com, and it got loaded, and then it's click on sign up. So now we will fill these elements. Now it got close. I will make it large, like we can maximize it. So here I can use driver dot maximize window, so it will maximize the window. If I will go here, then I will close the inspect element and I will click on sign up. This is the first name, so you can right click here, you can inspect it. The first name, I will make hover on it, first name, and here you can see they have provided ID. So this is the ID and you can add it attribute and copy this, and using ID we can be able to access. So let's say first name, f name is a variable, and driver dot find element by ID, and here I will pass the ID, and then I will make it f name dot clear. Wait for some time, so time dot sleep, and let's say for 5 seconds, and then I will send key. So f name dot send keys, and the value is couple. The second element is l name, means last name, equals driver dot find element by ID, and we will find the ID of another element. So this is the other element, last name, and here just you can do over on it and you can see this is the ID. You can make it edit attribute, copy, and here I can pass it. So now I will clear it, all name dot clear. After that, time dot sleep, let's say 5 seconds again, and then I will send some key. So l name last name dot send keys, let's say Sharma, this is the last name. And now we will see the next element. Next element is email. I will do hover on it. So this is email and ID is user underscore mail. Edit attribute, copy it and go here. Let's say email equals driver dot find element by ID, and here we could pass the ID user mail, and then this is mail ID. We can use email dot clear and then time dot sleep. So let's say sleep for 5 seconds, and then I will send email dot send keys. So send keys is kpil1234@gmail.com. So this will be the email ID. So now the next element is password. So we can make hover on it. So the user password is the ID, edit attribute, copy it, and now we will use pwd equals driver dot find element by ID, and here I will pass the ID, and the same way this is the password, so we can use pwd dot clear, and after that I will wait for some time, so time dot sleep, and let's say 5 seconds, and then I will pass pwd dot send keys. So let's say my password is kpil@789.123. This is my password. I'm going to send it. Now the next element is, you can see here, if I will make down, so you can see this is a checkbox, so you have to do agreement. If I will hover on it, so this is a checkbox, and you can see this is the ID user terms. So edit attribute, copy it, and here I will use, let's say, a checkbox equals driver dot find element by ID, and here you can pass the ID, and then you have to click on it. So checkbox dot click, and then we will wait for some time again. So time dot sleep, and for 5 seconds again, and then we will submit it. So we will find the element of submit element. So this is the element here. So sign up. If I will click on here, so this is value, name, ID is also there. So give preference for ID, add it as this is ID. You can copy here this one, and driver dot find element by ID, and here you can pass the ID and dot click, and then here we will wait for some time dot sleep, let's say for 100 seconds, and then we will do a validation as well. So first of all, we will run this program and see the output, and then we will do some validation. Sign up got clicked, and now we are going to fill the form. First name Kapil, last name Sharma, email ID is this, password, we'll type this, checkbox got clicked, and now it will sign up. Now it got sign up, and I will copy this URL so that I can do validation as well. So how you can make the validation? It's very simple. So you can match the URL, current URL. So here I will use current URL equals driver dot cur URL. So it will return the current URL of the driver, and here I can make the assertion. Let's say try assert self dot assert equals, so first one is cur URL, so current URL, and I will make here, let's say expected URL. So expected URL is whatever I copied, expected URL equals, so this is the expected, and we will return the current URL. So here we will pass, second is expected URL, and we can pass the message in case if got fail. So expected URL not meet criteria, and we will use except here, exception as ex, and we will print ex. So here we are just making a condition, the current URL and expected URL should be same. So now if I will run again, so it will ask for the different email ID. So I will change the email ID only, Kapil123. Now I will make it something, let's say 56678, and now if I will run again, just see the output. So UI5CN got loaded. Now it will maximize the window, and here sign up got clicked. It will start filling the form. Kapil, last name is Sharma, email ID is this one, password it will fill now, and checkbox also, and it got click on sign up as well. You can see now it will verify for the URL is matched, and if I will see the result, Here it will finish first. Okay, it got finished and console is okay, you can see. So one test run here in 72 seconds and it got pass. So you can create the HTML report of this, and this is the professional way, and you can work in this way as well. So in next video we are going to discuss alert and pop-up windows. So how we can handle the alert boxes. There are 3 alert boxes. One is alert, confirm and prompt. So we will work on that in next video. Thanks for watching.